Hey guys, welcome back. It's me again, Alexander Nikitin, a professional trader and the developer of pattern search software. Well, I have received pretty many feedbacks on my email saying that those session routines videos are very useful, and also it is a remarkable idea to keep you updated with my trading opportunities, what trading opportunities I'm looking at. Okay, if you don't follow me on TradingView, you are welcome to follow. If you do follow me on TradingView, you have received that idea on a dollar Canadian 1 hour bet advanced formation. So I am having that bet advanced formation here. I used the 4 hour chart, but actually the bet formation was found on 1 hour time frame. I only need the 4 hour to have this bet inside this small window. Okay, what else happened? Euro dollar closed two targets. I had the butterfly and the bet advanced formations on that. Now my account is 1100 and my current loss is the only Aussie yen that is running right now. The third top is forming, so it is valid. So if you are not in that trade, you are welcome if you have it on your trade plans. So pretty good structure level here. We have a double top here, we have a triple top here, and if I go to daily, we will find some kind of reaction here as well. Support, kind of resistance. Okay, who knows that? You never know the outcome of this particular trade, but you know the outcome of number of trades, 100 trades maybe, of the larger scale, large scheme. Okay, let's do the analysis. What I have 4 hour. Let's start from 4 hour if I have that open. Euro dollar is the first chart. This is the bet that won, and we have the cipher approaching to D point. Maybe it will be completed. So these are the levels. 120 is the selling position, sell limit. 120, 125 is the stop loss, and 119.61, 119.14 is the take profit. Still the same on this 4 hour. 4 hour changes not that fast as 1 hour. That's why we don't need to adjust it pretty often. I just will draw some lines. Maybe if I find some opportunities, I will draw them as well. Simply rule-based approach, no need to think about anything. If the pattern appears, you only need to react. Place an order, place target, place that stop loss, take profit levels, and so on. I do find my patterns mostly with my manual HPS software. If I find something, I will show you how it draws the patterns. It recognizes automatically if the pattern is valid or not. I just show it the 2 points of a potential structure of the pattern, so it then either draws the pattern or it does nothing. Okay, don't see anything on 4 hour. Aussie yen, a potential cipher pattern that I was looking at, still valid. Nothing wrong with that. Continue. That was the trade setup I have shown you in my MetaTrader. So look at this. We have a higher high, so we have to draw a higher high, and then we have immediately a higher lower low. So that's why we have to draw that formation. And New Zealand dollar potential higher high. Yep, we have a higher high. Aussie Canadian, not New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar is the next one. Aussie Canadian, look at this. If only not for that spike to the downside, I would look for a cipher pattern formation, but this spike invalidates everything. Let's go next. New Zealand dollar. Nothing changed. New Zealand yen, a new high. New Zealand Canadian, we had it this way, then we did that kind of pullback to the downside, and then we broke that higher again. Okay, no pattern here. Dollar yen, dollar Canadian. Tomorrow we have some news for US dollar. We have FOMC meeting, rate decision. So it typically is a kind of news that moves the market very much. Okay, that's all for 4 hour. Let's continue with 1 hour. What I do before the news? I do nothing. My patterns are pretty large. They are based on swing trading. Too many drawings on my chart. Yes, I will delete some of them. Okay, so what I am to do, I will click on delete everything. It will think a bit, and then I will do undo operation, undo another, undo another, undo another. Okay, that's enough to continue drawing, to continue following the price action. So I don't need the prehistory. So many drawings. Okay, delete everything once again. Undo this, this. Okay, that's enough. So now it becomes faster and faster and faster. It starts working faster. Okay, if we have a higher high here, I am to replace that new high. 27.9, and this one is 27.5, so it should go this way, and we'll have a break to the downside as a lower close. This is the most recent higher high. We broke that lower. Sorry, higher low. Now we have a low. Euro New Zealand. Let me delete that stuff, and let me go back, and back. Okay, what happened here? We have a higher high like this, then we have a lower low this way, then we have a higher high again, and then we have a lower low again. So this is typically consolidating corrective structure. It brings us the patterns. Right now we have nothing, but when these consolidations periods start, it brings multiple patterns. Okay, that's enough. A potential pattern opportunity on pound dollar, and you will see that opportunity in a second. We didn't break it higher, but we did break it lower, so we have a lower low. If I switch this way, okay, pound dollar potential opportunity. As I promised you, I will show you how my software works. Pound dollar opportunity, the starting point should go with this candle. Okay, so I am to press I am to click this point and this, and if the pattern is valid, it is drawn. If not, nothing happens. In this case, we didn't have anything, so no valid patterns. Pretty simple, yes? You can do the backtesting with that, you can do real-time trading with that software. It will save you plenty of time, and you will always stay objective. You don't need to learn all the rules for pattern identification. Oh, it seems to me we have a godly, it seems to me we have a bad. No more stuff like that anymore. So you're always sure if you have a bad or a godly or whatever. Так. What is this high? 7, 8. What is this high? Oh, 7008, and this one's 70058. Okay, the second one is higher. No trading opportunity yet. Delete all pictures. Back some of them back. Okay, we have violated that higher low, so we have a lower low instead. No patterns. GBP Canadian. One of the most profitable pairs, GBP Canadian. It likes harmonic patterns, it likes advanced patterns, it is very friendly to those patterns. Euro-dollar, by the way, euro-dollar is one of the worst pairs for trading harmonic and advanced patterns. One of the worst. So it has the worst results. Well, they are profitable. It is a bit tricky to trade euro-dollars, but it is ugly. It's not very good. Although this is one of the most profitable pair, one of the most common pairs traded. Everybody starts from euro-dollar, but with okay, look at this pound CHF. You can find that on pound CHF, and inverse of that pair is euro pound, because CHF and euro are almost the same. Pound CHF, the same of euro dollar and dollar CHF. They are mirror reflection of each other. So think of it when you make up your portfolio. Try to use the pairs that are as different as possible. So no trade opportunity here if I measure it this way. No trade opportunity here if I measure it this way. No trade opportunity. Pound CHF, nothing. If you don't believe me, let me show you. Take that X to A2. Look at this. This is 0.567. It tells me about a potential bad pattern. Look at this. This is 0.534. Well, it is valid if it is drawn this way. Let me go to pound CHF and check it one more time. Not off. Sorry. Okay, file open deleted, pound CHF. This one to this one. X to A to B and to C. Oh, but my quotes it is invalid. Double check anything. You see that it touches 618. So this is the problem, that the software thinks that this is a potential Gartley pattern. That's why the retracement higher, the C point. For a Gartley pattern, this C point should be 61A, at least 61A, this C point. But here with trading view, we have it lower. We have it 567. It's not a Gartley, it is a bad pattern. And with bad patterns, the C point is okay. So this is the difference. I trade what my broker says. If my broker says it is a Gartley and a C point doesn't meet the criteria, then it is invalid for me. So this is a potential bad pattern. You can set this. If you need some lines, I will put that on the chart. It is valid with FXCM quotes. You can see the quotes came from FXCM, so it is valid with FXCM broker. Double check it with yours. Target. So the potential entry, if it goes lower, the potential entry is 128.92. Stop loss is 128.42. 29.62 and 30 even are the target levels. So this is the trade opportunity that is valid advanced formation, bad advanced formation. Okay, let's continue next. We have that higher high here. If only we have that lower low like this, then I will start looking for some W type or M type formation, but right now it is early, yet. Aussie yen, delete everything, place back some of lines. Okay, enough. This came back, this and this. Okay, this is the zigzag information that allows me to place some trading opportunity. Aussie yen 1 hour, I already have a trade on that pair, but I can place some smaller trading opportunity, and it is called a bat formation. Right now we don't have anything. We do have Gartley, not a Gartley pattern. It is nothing here. Not a bad pattern, nothing. So when I have that zigzag information, then I switch to my highs, and starting from here to here, this is all a correction. I can stretch the fibs this way, I can stretch it this way, whatever fits my criteria. Corrective structure of Aussie New Zealand. Aussie Canadian moved higher. New Zealand dollar. Oh, perfect. Look at this. What do we have here? We have the movement to the upside, movement to the downside, followed by the movement to the upside. Too early yet, but already we have a pattern in advance. That's why it is called advanced pattern. New Zealand dollar, pretty apparent pattern, a bad pattern. Stretching the fibs, you saw just in front of your eyes the pattern period. 72.015. I am to place 72.015. This is the Fibonacci line. I am to put horizontal line 71.62.4. 71.62.4. Okay, make sure your pattern trade assistant is set according to your rules. I set that to %. I need my results of my trading. This is the risk to reward ratio and accuracy, and I adjust that numbers once a week. They become more and more precise, and I am just adjusting them, and this multiplies actually my maximum allowed drawdown. So I'm not allowed to risk more than 30% of drawdown, maximum drawdown. So the settings are set according to my preferences. And if I press L on my keyboard, the trade is set. It is absolutely free, given to my customers. This pattern trade assistant is absolutely free. Once you get the manual HPS or automatic HPS or monster pattern search, one of those software that are presented on my website. I will drop the link to my software in description. Okay, what does this pattern trade assistant? If price goes lower, it adjusts the targets. In case price 1 is hit, it closes that, of course, because of take profit, and the second half, the second target trade, is break even. This is what pattern trade assistant does. It also calculates the money management you need. You can set it in settings. It calculates the position size. I don't need to do it manually. And if you press L, it would place a limit order. If you press M on your keyboard, it will place a market order. Well, these are the main functions of pattern trade assistant, and if you leave it running on the chart, it will do all the trade management for you. You can go to sleep. Just set the trade and forget. Absolutely, set and forget. No need. I remember I was waking up at night, running to my computers to see if I needed to adjust targets or to move my stop loss to break even or something like this. Remember that? I remember it took me, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe to correctly calculate my position size according to the percentage I'm going to risk. It was pretty difficult when I was doing that manually. I still remember that those times. But luckily I am a talented programmer as well as a talented trader. That's why I have created that wonderful software, wonderful tools that help me to do that. Okay guys, that's it about the trading opportunities. Once again, what I have, euro dollar closed. I have a cipher pattern on euro dollar, bearish cipher. Aussie yen still in this bearish trade for hour. Dollar Canadian waiting for this back pattern to complete. You can see that on 4 hour, but it is actually found on 1 hour. And New Zealand dollar potential bad formation. The C point is in the process of forming, but it doesn't really matter. It is valid if the C point is here, here, or higher until it violates the X point, or sorry, A point. And if it goes deeper to that entry before it violates A, it will be a valid bad pattern. Okay, what else? So that's it. If you like that video, please give me your thumbs ups, share that on social media, follow me here and on TradingView. I will drop the link to my software in description. Until then, good luck, good trading. Hope to see you soon.